Alright, well, go on. So what's your take on today's game, baller?
Honestly, it's better than I expected. But when I saw the Mexico lineup, I was like, alright, they look like a B side, but you still have to go there and play a game. Ravel plays this game, the keeper played this game, that was Andre Blake, and Speedy, 22, played this game. Other than that, the side look a bit shaky and they look lagged in the last half, last part, but we draw, and it's Mexico. So,
alright, so who would you say is the man of the match for today's game?
for me, Speedy. Even though Ravel was like excellent though, but Speedy hold the team from back to front together. So I had to get to Speedy.
Okay, so 1-1 versus Mexico. So how does it look going forward for the Reggae Boys team? You think we can go ahead and win Nations League and go to Aztec and beat Mexico?
Not with the crop of players that we have. Based on what we have in the qualifiers and what we have now, it kind of look shaky. It's not as strong enough. Like most of the English ballers, they're not there. I don't know the reason behind that. Hopefully, going towards the next round, that they'll come and think, but who knows? We just drew with Mexico in that team, so anything is possible, I guess.
Okay, so looking even further, 2026 World Cup, do you think, based on the path and the trajectory that we're on, do you think we can qualify for that World Cup?
Alright, put it this way, do I have faith in the coach?
Yeah.
Yes and no, but at the same time, I feel if we stick with him, and we build a structure and the ballers keep on gelling and stuff like that, we get other ballers, then yes we can. And if we use our abilities, that pace that we have, the drive, the skill, then we can do anything. 2026, that's what, 4 years or so,
yeah.
so we can do it.
Alright, so thanks baller, respect for the interview.